ฟิชนะคะท่านได้แลกเป็นบัตร
นี่นะครับเราเพิ่งได้บัตรเข้ามากันนะครับ
สามารถซื้อบัตรนะคะ
เข้ามาเลย
สแตนเราจะได้ประสบ
แต่เนี่ยเอาทุกช่องคิวดีกว่าคิวใส่กัน
ได้ประสบการณ์บัตรของเรานะคะสามารถเข้าชมการแข่งขันได้นะคะแล้วก็
yes
I can help you.
อ๋อโอเค
ทางช้างค่ะ
ถ่ายได้หลายรูปเลย
สำหรับใครนะคะที่มีริชแบนแล้วนะคะ
เอาส่งอะไร
ถ่ายรูปได้เลยนะคะ
โอเค
Take a photo with our elephant, our lovely elephant. They are so kind. You can take a photo. You can touch them. You can hug them also. Welcome to PPT.
นี้นะคะจะห่างจากสเตชันเราเพียงแค่300 เมตรนะคะและขอประชาสัมพันธ์นะคะลูกค้าท่านใดทำกุญแจโอซากิรนนะคะและกุญแจฮอนด้านะคะมอไซค์ทั้งคู่เลยนะคะ
เอาปุ๋ยคือรถย่างปุ๋ย
มารับได้ที่โซนประชาสัมพันธ์ศูนย์กลางด้านหน้าตรงประตูทางเข้าเกต1นะคะ คาวาซากิ
ไปไหนนะแกรนด์สแตนด์ไปดูกิจกรรมหน้ากัน
You can come and get it at the information center
โมโตทูจบแล้ว
at gate 1
สาวดีกว่า
ทั้งสองท่านเลยนะคะ ให้ไปเลยนะคุณเพราะว่าอีกท่านหนึ่งยอมไปแล้วอ่ะเดี๋ยวขออนุญาตนะถ่ายภาพอันนี้อ๋อเดี๋ยวมีอะไรให้ไหมอ่ะมีกิฟต์วอเชอร์มูลค่า 30,000 บาทให้คุณพี่เขาไหมอ่ะให้บัตรเงินสดหน่อยแล้วมูลค่า
เดี๋ยวเรียนช่วยถ่ายภาพร่วมกันนิดนึงค่ะไอที่บอกยังไม่แจก
ให้บัตรซื้อเถอะเจ๊ซื้อหนูเถอะ
เดี๋ยวเรียนช่วยถ่ายภาพด้วยกันนิดนึง
นี่โอเคยืนด้วยกัน3 คนให้หนูได้ถ่ายรูปหน่อย
เชิญค่ะ
คนละ800เด้อจะบอกต้องจ่ายได้นี่มาเลยนะคะใครอยากได้รางวัลนี้มายืนเอาหน้าบูธได้เลยขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณค่ะแล้วคุณที่บอกว่าบูธ KYT เลยนะคะและช่วงนี้ในของวันของเราเนี่ยมูลค่า
อยู่ในโซนลานกิจกรรมนะครับตอนนี้เราอยู่ที่ซุ้มของ GoPro นะครับซึ่งตอนนี้เราก็ใช้กล้องของ GoPro ถ่ายอยู่
Japanese track. So it could be an interesting switching of the bars really in the ATC this weekend, but we'll have to wait and see. Nishimura then tagged onto the back of this group, trying to make his way back through to the front of the podium fight, where he'd already been until getting a little bit beaten up. Ooh, Jacob Wilson again is not afraid of going out there to elbow.
No, he's really not, and neither is Munadar. That's bad news for him. Munadar on the inside of Putra once again. Yes, he does make a stick. He is so strong on the brakes. He seems to really manage to keep his line rather than whack as a Pritzer. But now, can he actually make any moves on Crasher? Is he going to get punched straight back?
Yeah, it's a little bit more spread out than we've seen for a few laps now. With 5 to go, it's now is the time to try and really stop this stuff and make your break. But they really are feisty today, and there's a lot of moves, but nothing quite as reckless. We saw a few reckless situations yesterday. A little bit too much drama, too many people on the floor. Today it's been really aggressive racing. Some things maybe a little bit on the limit. We've seen some shaking fists, but all in all, a really good, super aggressive fight so far. And Mananda then back past Guatari rather, and it's Asman now who is in the chase behind Matsuyama. Not sure what that means. Usually it's a top of the tail, usually to say follow me, but that one not sure. But these two then back up similar to where they were yesterday, with just Asman now in their way. And Matsuyama not actually made that much ground. It's just a second and a half clear. I did expect that to extend a little bit more than it has done over the laps that he's been in the lead.
Well, it's another case of choose a line, any line as we break down into turn 3. Is Munadar going to do his usual? No, he's not. He braked a little bit too late, had to sit behind. Looked like Asman. That was Putra on number 16 talking about Asman was just clear enough that time so that he didn't come under any threat down into turn 3 there. But Krasny, as we come on the run down towards that ultra fast turn 4, he's not receiving any sorts of threats at the moment. Look at this, the World Championship standings. As it stands, Nishimura minus 5 points from Matsuyama out there in front.
Yeah, as you can see, it's been really expensive this fall through this podium fight for Shoei Nishimura. So he's now down in 7th, 8th, kind of fighting for those positions. Compare that to if he were to finish second, and he would keep the points lead by enough of a margin as well to be able to finish second in the first race in MotoGP. But with so many people in this battle for second place, he's going to have to be careful that he really does start to make some progress, and at least on the last lap can pick off a few.
We're keeping a very close eye on what Asman's able to do. He's not making any big inroads on Matsuyama, but he is pulling away a little bit from this group. And as we come across the line next time around, it'll be 3 laps to go, so time very much running out. This is the time of the race when you do need to be squabbling a little bit more if you're going to be making a chase, but at the same time, it is of course a balancing act. You don't want to be squabbling too much, otherwise all those podium spots are going to get away if one of them just escapes.
Yeah, exactly. You've got to time it right really towards the end of these Moto3, ATC, BTC, whatever it may be, races, and you've just got to make sure that you're in the right position to be able to make those moves, have enough time left to do so, but not then end up in a massive straight in the second race here at Burua. It was bad enough for one, number 64, then who is that who's gone down?
Not quite sure which one of the riders with the yellow helmets, although there's a few of those riders with the yellow helmets there.
So I think it's Kusuma who's gone down. Or was that, yeah, that was a while ago. So
we'll come up on our screens at some point, we'll let you know who it is. But as we come across the line, those gaps are evidently a little bit smaller this time. come the end of the race. It's great stuff. Pretty really for the number 12 Ralstone there.
Equals his best Asian talent coach result, I think Jacob Rosdorf, which didn't take yesterday. So very solid weekend from the Australian. That was really taking on Nishimura earlier on in that group fight. And as I met another Korean, he'll be very happy with that, I'm sure. Another one who seemed to really come alive this weekend and show some really good progress as we start this second half of the season.
Yeah, really pleased to see him manage to keep it upright and take the podium here. Contrast to what he's able to do in Japan. Everyone kept their cool. You imagine there probably been some stern words for the organisers for them after all their matches.